So in this video today, I'll be replacing the back cover on this S10e. Granted, I will be going to a white colour, but overall, that's really not going to make too much difference. To begin with, you want to heat up the phone. I've had it right now at 75 degrees Celsius for around about 5 minutes sitting on here. And now I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol and a thin metal pry tool to take this back off. So to begin with, I'm going to put the alcohol on the pry tool. And then from there, I'm going to work my way into this gap. There's a slight gap between the metal frame. Now the heat and the isopropyl should make it extremely easy to get into. And on this particular model, since the fingerprint scanner is on the side, there's no chance you're going to damage the button here. So if you just keep spraying the odd bit of alcohol onto your pry tool and keep working around probably only about probably a centimetre or two just inside the body of the phone, and lift it up as you work your way around, you should be able to pry this off quite easily without damaging any of the internal components, and you should be able to get this off relatively in one piece without any glass fragments exploding anywhere. So yeah, good luck. I'll keep prying from here, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.